Tight squeeze. Alright, we are on our way to Baltimore to pick up a frozen drink machine. This is a side video, if you will, tangent cam you may be familiar with. Don't know if this is going to end up in any of the TR3 wrench videos, but we do a Kentucky Derby party. We're from Louisville, Kentucky originally, my wife and I, and brought that tradition with us to Annapolis, Maryland. And today we are on our way to Baltimore to pick up a frozen drink machine to make Bourbon Slushy. And that is as delicious as it sounds. Test batch coming up this afternoon. Stay tuned. Sit, Ubu, sit. Good dog. What did you get us into?
You're gonna find out.
Okay, you know where we're going.
I do.
Okay.
Crappy later.
Yeah, we are on a race against time because the windshield wipers on this truck do not work at the moment. They are in op. So, we gotta get to Baltimore, get back, get unloaded, and get this thing put away before the weather comes.
Talking to some rich folks that you know. Well, I hope you don't see me in my ragged company. You know I could never.
So we're not testing with bourbon, is what you're saying?
Oh, we can test bourbon.
Oh, I see. But we're also testing with lemonade. Or are we gonna mix the lemonade with the bourbon?
I mean, that's what a bourbon slush is.
Oh yeah.
Bourbon slush, lemonade.
I thought it was working. I thought it was. I didn't. So I just thought it was working.
Lemonade or you use tea.
Did you catch all that?
No.
Lemonade? No, I wasn't talking. I was talking to that. Ingredients. All right, stay there. Drink machine. I mean, I think this is as big as the one we used to rent. It just doesn't have the one we used to rent was like mounted in a big metal frame.
Yeah.
So, wow. Cool. High pressure alarm. Pew, pew. Look at all the stuff inside. All kinds of stuff. Is there a manual in there? I didn't see any instructions. You might have to get that stuff online.
Yeah, no, it's this QR code right here has all
the instructions.
so.
Okay, well, better download that and print it so, you know, when they go out of business, you can... Yeah, we're gonna have to, I don't know what these icons are. Full moon. I don't know.
That's all you really need to know.
That's right, yes. This is the cat mode.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Does it say what the minimum level is? How much is the minimum?
It doesn't say, oh yeah, there's a sticker.
Yeah, but it doesn't tell you in advance how much
liquid that is. Okay. Wait, what are we going to here? I'm looking at the wrong side.
You are. We could have done it in liters if you would have preferred in milliliters. That probably would have been easier.
24 and a third. 24 and a third.
But we're in America, so we have to do hard math.
Right. I hear you, buddy. All right. We go in here first. One ringy dingy. did not reach the minimum level.
No, gonna be time to do some more math.
Dang it. Let's just womp womp. Always fill to the minimum level and never over the maximum level. It's just like working on a Rambler. All right. Roughly 2 gallons is a gallon and a half. Because it's a 3-gallon capacity, right? Like
Right.
these are each 3 gallons.
That's right.
So
50% is the minimum level,
I suppose that's right.
Some sense.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. In the plugin. Clickety. Oh, so she lights up. That's cool.
Very important.
Very important. Okay. Powering on. Boom. Woo. Lighting it up. Boom. Okay, let's see. We do not need. Which one do we not need on? Say both of those. I guess they stay that way. It doesn't really matter. Can't really turn the refrigerant thing off, but we can turn auger 1 on. Check. All right.
Now, your favorite part. Time to wait for it.
Wait for it. I don't know, Lou, what do you think? First pull? Not quite. Not quite.
Close.
Yep. One cocktail spoon.
Okay. 1 ounce of rum.
1 ounce of rum. It's not our first lesson.
It's not. No. Ooh, that is bourbony.
All right, we'll be here for a while. Bye. All right, let's talk about this for a second. Successfully downloaded the file Kentucky Derby 2023 for the year 2023. Now, this software, whoops, let's say okay to that. Yep, great. Help about Backyard Bookie. Version 2003. That was 20 years ago, people. That's pretty amazing. Also, don't run Windows 7 at home. Don't do that. Upgrade your Windows. Bourbon Slushy. Engage. Oh no, we've lights on.
Oh, okay.
Lights on. Definitely lights on. Don't do that, buddy. Stop eating grass. So I told Jerome he was welcome to wear shop clothes as long as he was willing to work on a car while he was here.
Okay.
So.
As is traditional Derby custom.
Right.
Okay.
49.
149. 149.
My goodness. All right.
Silky